Okay, hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss how are we going to find the LCM of a number using the prime factorization. Okay? So but first we need to find the prime factorization of each numbers. Okay? We have here 12, 18, and 24. So we will find what is the LCM of these numbers. Okay? These three numbers. So we will find what is the LCM. So LCM is the least common multiple. Okay? Now first we need to do the prime factorization for the 12, the 18, and then the 24. So we can use the factor 3 method. Okay? So we are going to do the 12 first. So first we can multiply it by 2 times 6. Okay? So since 2 is already a prime number, so we are going to circle it. So we are not going to separate this anymore. So we have here the 6 as the composite number. So we separate the 6. It will be 2 times the 3. So the factors of 6 are 2 times 3. And these factors are already a prime number. So it means it's finished. Okay? So all the factors are already prime numbers. Okay, so the prime factors of the 12 is, so let's write here, 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, let's put the 3, okay, on the other side. Okay, so that's the group of the 3. Next, let's have the 18. So 18, we can do the factors of 18 as 3 times 6. So 3 is already a prime number, so we are not going to do this anymore. Then 6 is a composite, so we are going to have 2 times the 3. So now the factors are all prime numbers. So we have, okay, 2, 1, 2, and then we have 3 times 3. So we are going to write the prime factors of 18. Okay, 18. So we write here the 2, and then 3 times 3. So times 3 times 3. Okay, so we are just grouping all the 2's and all the 3's. Okay, so that we will put them together. Now let's go to 24. So 24, let's find the prime factors of 24. So this is 3 times 8. So since 3 is already a prime number, so we are not going to do this anymore. So 8 is a composite, so let us find the factors of 8. So we can use 2 times 4. So 2 is already a prime number, so we will circle it. And then 4 is a composite, so we need to find the prime factors of 4. So which is 2 times the 2. Okay, so now we're done. All of the factors are all prime numbers. So you can see we have 3 2's, 2 times 2 times 2, and 3. Okay, so let's write the prime factorization of 24. So we write here 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and then the 3. So again, I will repeat. So the prime factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. So that from our factor 3 method. So we get the prime factors of 12. So 2 times 2 times 3. So that is your 2 times 2 times 3. And then the 18. So we find the prime factors of 18. So we have 3 times 2 times 3. So we arrange it by writing the 2 first. 2, and then the 3 times 3. So all the 3's are together and all the 2's are together. Then the 24, so we find the factors of 24, which is 3 times 8. So 3 is a prime number already. 8 is a composite, so we need to find the prime factors of the 8 will be it will be 2 times 4. And then 4 is not a prime number and 2 is a prime number already. So we will find the prime factors of 4, which is 2 times 2. So now it's finished. So you will see 2 times 2 times 2. So we have 3 2's here. So we will write the 3 2's, 2 times 2 times 2, and the 3. Right there, the 3, together with the groups of 3. Okay, now we are going to, okay, write a line here so that we could bring down all the factors. Okay, so let's start with this. So the first line of 2, and then the next is another 2, and then the next another 2, and then the 3's, and then the other 3. So here you're going to multiply all these factors. So by starting with 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Then times 2 times 3 times 3. Then you'd multiply 4 times 2 next. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 times 3 times 3. Then you multiply 8 times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. And then you multiply it by 3. So the last factor. Then it will be 72. Okay? 72. So it means our LCM will be 72. So the LCM of 12, 18, and 24 is 72. Okay? So let's have another example. Okay, let's have another example. Let us say your numbers are, let us say 18. Okay, then we have here 20. And then we have here 36. Okay, so this is another set of numbers. So first, we are going to find the prime factorization of 18. So we already have here from here. So we can use 3 times 6. So 3 is a prime number. So 6 is a composite. So we need to find the prime factors of 6. So which is 2 times 3. Okay, so we're done here. Next, let's do the 20. So 20 is 2 times 10. Oh, 2 is the prime number. Sorry. And then 10 is the composite. So we need to find the prime factors of 10. So that will be 2 times 5. Okay. Now 2 and 5 is already a prime number, so we don't need to find the prime factors because they are already prime numbers. So now let's move on to 36. 36 is 4 times 9. So both numbers are not yet a prime number. So we can start with 4. 4 will be 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2. So it's already a prime. And then the 9 is 3 times 3. Okay. Now we are going to write the prime numbers or the prime factorization for each number. So let's start with 18. 18 will be 2 times, and then so let's group, let's group this. So then the 3 will be here, and then another 3. Okay? So that will be your 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 times 3. So that's for 18. Okay, now let's move on for 20. Okay, 20. So 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. So we write here 2 times 2, and then we write here the 5. Okay, the 5 here. Okay, because this is group of the 2s, then group of the 3s, and then group of the 5s. Okay, then let's move on to 36. Okay, 36 will be, so let's start with the 2s. Okay, 2 times 2, and then you have here your 3 times 3. So times 3 times 3. Okay, now let's draw a line. Okay, so after we draw the line, then we are going to bring down all the prime factors for each these three numbers. Okay, so let's start with this group. So bring down the 2, bring down the 2, then bring down the 3, bring down the 3, and bring down the 5. Okay, then we put the multiplication sign in between. Okay, then we multiply. Starting by 2 times 2, it will be 4. Or you can do 3 times 3, then it will be 9. Okay? Then we have here the 5. So you can do 9 times 5, or you can do 4 times 9. So it's up to you which one you want to do first. So if we want, we can do 4 times 9 first. 4 times 9, okay, 4 times 9 will be 36. And then we multiply it by 5. So 36 times 5. So let's multiply. 36 times 5. Okay? 5 times 6 is 30. So, we regroup the 3 with the 10. So, 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 is 18. So, that will be 180. So, it means the LCM of 18, 20, and 36 is 180. Okay. So, I hope you understand how are you going to find the LCM using the prime factorization. Goodbye and thank you.